Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.8890. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and this continuous upside for particular day, that is today, we have seen it is forming red candle. Okay, and the red candle's high is at around $2.9634 and a low of around 2.850. Okay, 2.8529 dollars. Okay. This is a good volatility you can see today. Now what you can see, if you have watching the market today, you would have seen a good movement in gold and silver also, and there is an event is coming just after 1 hour. You can see there are a lot of volatility also we can see. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a U pattern is forming. Okay, there is a strong resistance coming at a level of around $2.898. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, so now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see, look at this particular trend. There is a continuous upside, but for today, for a particular day, we have seen there is a fall. Okay, so chances can be high. Suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards its next resistance at a level of $2.8970. And the price sustain above this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.9007. Keep that in mind. As the price sustain above level of 2.8970, we can see it will touch a level of around 2.9007. If the price sustain above this particular level, chances are high it will cross a level of around $2.9168. This $168, 2.916 already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that level, and a probability of sustaining a level of 2.9607 we can see. Okay, and once the price sustain above 2.9607, it will cross that lane, and a probability of going towards 3.0217 is there. Okay, so if the price sustain above 3.0217, we will see it will cross that level and it will go towards $3.0417. Keep that in mind. As the price sustain above a level of 2.9607, chances are very high it will cross a level of around 3.0417, and it will cross that level, and a probability of going towards $3.0904 is there. So if the price sustain above that level, we can see it will go further high, and a probability of going towards $3.2330 is there, and from there a further high we can see towards $3.3226. Okay, so once the price sustain of 3.3, a further high we can see. There is a higher chances because there is still a zone breakout has not happened, so probability can be high. If the price move out from this zone, we can see a further high. But remember, as I've already explained you, that SL is very important because market is uncertain. Okay, if the market is uncertain, you have to remember SL will save your capital. Okay, if you are trailing your SL, if you are in profit, it will save your profit. That is very important, trailing your SL. So understand, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it will go towards a level of $2.8745. Okay, and if it moves below that level, we can see it will come its low of today's low at a level of $2.8542. So once the price fall below today's low, we can see it will come towards a level of 2.8241, which is a strong support. So a bounce back can come from that particular level. If that level didn't sustain, then a further fall we can see to a level of 2.7894. Okay, these are the strong resistance and support where the price move, a bounce back or a fall or a rise happens. See, even when events come, these resistance and supports where the profit booking comes. So you can see if it's something like a resistance or support comes, there is a profit booking comes, so you can trail your SL at that particular point of time. So if it moves below a level of 2.8241 to a level of 2.7649 and to a level of around 2.7357, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see. But keep that in mind, if the price fall below a level of $2.8492, a further fall we can see, because there is a pattern breakout will happen, so chances are high. Okay, so once the price fall below $2.7894, we can see it will go towards a level of around $2.8191 to a level of 2.7649, and then further down towards 2.7304. If the price fall below that level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 2.7213, and then to a level of $2.6642. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. The mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,